Deploy, and I'm an accounting professional from South Africa, and I'm really excited to be here with you today to discuss the benefits of QBOA for your practice. I oversee my team in my accounting practice, and there are 8 of us, and they do the processing, and I oversee, and I'm obviously there for support. But what that means is that I don't have my hands in all the processing that gets done. And also that is just not possible in an accounting practice. You really have to trust your team. What QuickBooks did is they gave us a tool for us to be able to oversee each client's books, to be able to tick off certain things that we need to do each month and just make sure that the client's getting the best value. It allows me as a team leader to also have an overview on how my team's doing, and it allows them to check the work before it comes to me. So for us, that's our procedure. Whoever's working on this client will process, get the month ready, and then let me know they're ready for me to review their work. And a lot of the time it could be a learning curve. Most of the time everything's correct. But this books review, which is the feature I'm running for you today, cannot tell you what a time saver it's been. And it's made my life so much easier because the system now checks certain things and tells you what is outstanding or what needs to be done in order for these books to be in good shape. Thank you so much, QuickBooks. So it tells you there are 4 stages. Transaction review lets you look at all the transactions and any error that it's picking up. So if it doesn't have a name, undeposited funds, unapplied payments, additional items are specific to this customer that we would have set up. So if the customer has stock, check the stock report, check there's no negative stock, you'd be able to set this up. It then has accounts reconciliation, letting you check that all the bank accounts are reconciled and if there's any errors. Your final review for any unusual or unexpected balances, take a look at the items you might need to adjust. It is literally like child's play. They give it to you on a platter and they say, make sure that you're happy. Once you've checked these 3, you can wrap up. And you wrap up by preparing reports, sending your report package, and closing the books. This is just, I cannot tell you what a game changer it's been for me. It's letting me stay on top of all my clients. It's saving me so much time. And for me, time saving on processing means that I can add more value to partnering with my clients. So what does that mean? I now have more time to take them through their reports to make sure that they understand it, pick up any errors of processing that my team is maybe doing, and then I could do some training internally if I keep seeing the same thing keep reoccurring. So this has really been such an incredible feature that we've implemented in our practice. And once again, free of charge with your QuickBooks Online Accountant sign up. If you are running or accessing your client's books through QBO, meaning that you are just loaded as a user and not as an accountant, you will not see this feature available. You will not see the accountant tools box right at the top, which is just like a Christmas present waiting to be opened. You're not going to see that either. So make sure you've signed up for the correct platform and make sure that you're invited into all your clients' books as an accountant, and then you'll be able to use these incredible features. Thanks. See you soon.